What's going on, everybody? And this is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and welcome back to episode number 7 of Stock Market Recap. In this video, we do have a special one for you. We are going to go over the S&P 500 as always, and we are also going to be going over two other plays that we have, which is Realty Income and Bitcoin. So we will speak about both and just talk about important levels of the stock market. So if you guys are new to this channel, hello, my name is Phil, and on this channel we talk about anything that has to do with investing. We do these stock market recap videos every time the stock market is open. So if you're interested in keeping up to date with the stock market, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We also post about dividends. Dividends are one of my favorite ways of investing, and we post about them on here all the time. So if that interests you as well, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you guys can, just please give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out the channel. But now let's hop right into S&P 500. So we did have a rather flat day in the S&P 500 today. It was up about 0.13%. Yesterday was a flat day as well. It was down slightly. But I do think that with the S&P 500 at these levels, I do think we could see some further continuation towards the end of the year. And if you were watching my other videos, I did predict that we would reach all-time highs, and that's exactly what did. If you look here, we have, like I said, we had a small red day yesterday and a small green day today, so which is just the buyers and sellers fighting, in my opinion. We did predict all-time highs when the S&P 500 was around this level here, around 465-ish. So we will see if the buyers can overcome the sellers. If the buyers can overcome the sellers, we'll see this go upwards. If the sellers overcome the buyers, then we will see this drop potentially to this next support level, but we will see. Next, I do want to speak about Realty Income. Realty Income is a dividend play. If you guys don't know, ticker symbol is O. I do have a fairly large position in Realty Income in my dividend portfolio relative to the rest of my portfolio. Realty Income is currently sitting at $71.73 at the time I'm making this video, and has been doing pretty well recently. So just today, it was up 0.7%. And if we go and look at the last 5 days, Realty Income has been doing pretty well. We see this nice uptrend here. So it's been doing pretty well the last 5 days. Now looking at the long-term chart for Realty Income, we see that it's currently sitting at this line of resistance that I drawn out here. We'll see if it can overcome this line of resistance, or if it gets shot down to the line of support where it was consolidating earlier this year and probably a couple of months ago. So we'll see if it will be able to overcome this line of resistance here, sitting at $72 or so. Realty Income is a monthly dividend payer, and they do pay a pretty decent dividend of around 4%. Now let's go over to the last topic of the day, and we will be talking about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has been dropping pretty steadily. And what does that mean for Bitcoin as a whole? So if we take a look in the past year of Bitcoin, obviously we had this insane growth and this insane market as a year. So Bitcoin did reach all-time highs of about $65,000, or even higher, around almost $70,000 just a little bit ago, and then it did drop a little bit recently. So now it's currently sitting around $47,000, and it looks like it is breaking this line of support right here. We will see if this line of support can hold, if it can hold for the price of Bitcoin. If it doesn't, then we could see this one drop even further. But for me, I am a long-term player of Bitcoin, so I do think any drop like this is a buying opportunity. Bitcoin has been doing pretty poorly in the past month or so. But I do think with the levels that are left on exchanges, there's not much left on exchanges. I do think we can see a rally in Bitcoin at the beginning of next year, where it will reach upwards of $100,000 by the end of 2022. Now, obviously, this is just speculation, but I think it has the potential to do so. About 90% of Bitcoin has been mined, which means only 10% left to be mined of the 21 million coins. And it is a very scarce item, and I think investors love that. But that's about going to wrap up the video for today. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure you like that. Hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.